In this training video, we'll be going over importing from Excel. So let's say that you have your pricing sheet that you made up, but it's in Excel. Okay, you have your line items, your scope, in other words. Okay, so in this case, we want to import from Excel to the cleaning because we don't have anything in here right now. There's 0 line items. No pricing whatsoever, and no line items. So we chose cleaning. You have to select which one you're going to be importing to. So to do that, to get a new list in here, so you don't have to do it one by one. You certainly can. For those of you that are not using Excel, you can certainly program this in, as I've shown you in another video, of line items by clicking on this pencil. Everything can be done one at a time. But for those of you that have Excel, it's much, much easier. So to do that, to get the list that you already made, click on Import from Excel. Click on Upload File, and in this case we have it within our desktop. You can have it from your documents, wherever you have it. Okay, click on the one that you want. Okay, and then upload. It's that easy. And just like that, it's done. Click OK. Successfully imported, and look what just happened. That fast. All these line items have been brought in, okay? Imported. So because you had it in Excel, that's what makes it so fantastic. And the thing about Excel too is it's a lot easier to edit, all at once in your Excel spreadsheet that you made for these line items. It's easier. Then it just pops in just like so. Super easy. So that's how you import from Excel. You chose which list you wanted to create. Okay? In this case it was the cleaning. Okay, but if it was mold, you do the same thing. Click on mold, and now we would, if you had a list made that was within your computer, that's how you're going to do it. You click on import from Excel. Okay, so it's that simple. In this case we did cleaning because we had one already made up, and it went in that quick. So it's a fantastic tool to use for those of you that have Excel. And that's how you do it. To your success, and thank you for watching.